Hi Yaya, my name is Tisha. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch my video. You and I spoke earlier today. So I found your company while doing research in your area. I wanted to just provide some tips on increasing your online presence, traffic to your website, and getting more customers. So today we'll talk about three different areas, one being content, citations, and backlinks. So first, content is anything that can be found on your website. So this is the words that you're using, pictures, how the pictures are saved, and what's behind the pictures, and any videos. So in order to rank high on Google, what they're looking for is at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, by having or increasing content, then you would be able to utilize more keywords. Now, keywords are the words that are typed in a search engine that customers will use to find certain services or a type of company. So the more keywords you use, then the more customers then you will receive, okay? The next will be citations. So citations are anywhere your business name, address, and phone number can be found. Now citations can be found on Google, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, Home Advisor, LinkedIn, or Facebook, for example. So the more citations that you have, then the more people are able to find your company and website. Now, the goal is to have more citations than your competitor. So we can always look at how many citations your competitor has and just make sure that you have more than they do. Now, when Googling plumbers in Hayward, California, this is what I found. So the first would be the pay per click. Um, these companies are paying to be listed in this area. Now the next is going to be the map pack. Now it's very important to be listed in this area. Generally, when people are looking for a certain service or company, type of company, then they will go ahead and go directly to the company from here or give them a call. So our goal would be to have you listed here in this map pack. Now the next would be an organic search. So the organic search is showing me that Yelp is first, and then here's another directory, Home Advisor. The first company though that we see would be Roto Hero, so that would be your top competitor. Let me just have you take a look at their website before we move on. Okay, so they are utilizing a lot of content within their website. Okay, so our next tool that we're going to be using is Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs will show you how your website is doing. These numbers are not exact, but it still will give us a good idea. So I'm showing that you have 247 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that are on a website that will lead someone back to your website. So the more backlinks you have, then the more traffic to your website you will receive. Our goal though is to have some good quality backlinks. So a backlink coming from a clothing store, for example, versus coming from a hardware store bring in a different amount of traffic. The goal is to have more than your competitor. So we can always take a look at your top competitor, see what backlinks that they have and you are utilizing, and build those same backlinks for you to bring in more traffic to your website. Now I'm showing that you are using 64 keywords, bringing in about 4 people to your website per month, generating about $68 in revenue. Let's take a look at the keywords that you're using. Okay, so this over here will show you where you're ranking and how you're ranking. So plumber, Hayward, plumber garage, Hayward plumbing, of course your business name, Bay Area plumbing, Cooper repiping, shore drain services, toilet guys, kitchen plumbing services. So this just gives you an idea of how people are finding you and where you're ranking with these keywords. So the next that we'll look at will be the backlinks for Roto Hero. Now this is a franchise business, so they do have a lot of traffic, but nonetheless, this is your top competitor. So they have close to 24,000 backlinks, utilizing about 6,500 keywords, bringing in over 26,000 people to their website per month, generating $755,000 in revenue. Now for their keywords, so again, this is their ranking and how they're coming in. So plumber near me, of course, their business name, Hero Plumbing, plumbers in my area, plumbing repair near me, drain cleaning services, sewer line replacement, bus plumbers near me, drain cleaning. Again, this is a national company, so this wouldn't affect you, but 24-hour emergency plumber. So we can always utilize some of the keywords that they're using and build that into your website to help you rank better. I did forget to mention here, I was able to find you listed on the second page, and so you are ranking 17 on the Google search. Okay. So I hope that you have enjoyed the tips that I have provided for you. Now you're welcome to use these tips on your own. If you would like to talk about these tips more in depth, please give me a call at 916-378-9773. Nonetheless, I would like to hear from you either way to provide some feedback on this video. Again, thank you so much for taking out your time today. You have a good day.